Alright, so Teslaunch sent me this Cybertruck under screen storage thing to take a look at. So let's go ahead and see. Should be pretty simple to install. It did come with an instructions thing, but basically it's just wrapped in this. Okay, let me take it out. I need 2 hands. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Obviously it goes in this way, as you can see. It has this nice rubber mat here. It has this groove, I believe that's for glasses, to keep it from sliding around. And then it just snaps in under the screen. You can see how it has this little rubbery, plasticky clip mechanism to hold it. So here we got the Cybertruck. We're just going to get this underneath. Okay, and let me see how I can show this. Give me a second. So here's the instructions. Do not overbend the clips during installation to break. So you basically pull the 2 clips out and then you slide it up. So I'm actually going to need 2 hands to do this because you do have to pull them both at the same time. Alright, so basically you need to pull both these tabs outwards at the same time. So let me see if I can actually get that in there. So pull these 2 tabs outwards. And then while you're doing that, you got to slide it up. So make sure it clears. Oops. So you got to make sure it clears the thing, or you see this thing can fall off. So make sure that back on there. Okay. Hard part is you can't see both sides at the same time. So let's go back here and see if that helps. You only need to see one side, I guess. But basically, pull both of these 2 tabs outwards. Make sure they're going up. Maybe it will help to use my knee here. Okay, and now I think both sides cleared. Once both sides clear, let's see if I can zoom. Okay, so if you see here, on this side, I don't know if you can see it. It's not wanting to focus on the right spot, but it's like part way up. So once you get the bump sticking out on both sides, going along the flat portion here, you should be able to just push the whole thing up. There we go. And you can see it holds itself really tight. It's not going anywhere. And you can actually put your glasses on that with that little groove. And it'll like stay in this spot. You can put whatever else there, like your phones. I don't have a phone right now to do it. You can put other stuff there. So yeah, extra storage for extra things. And it has a little raised lip here, so you can probably even just throw a bunch of coins in there if you wanted. So you can even fit like a big clipboard of stuff here. Pretty cool. Yep, and then with this storage, now you won't have to leave stuff in here to block all your storage, your cup holders. Pretty cool. It also has little rubber bumpers here, so it won't knock against your screen and rattle. So yeah, looks like they thought of everything for it. It's good. Alright, and that's pretty much it. Very simple to install, and yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. I do have a discount code for this, so if you go on their website, I'll post it on the screen, and yep, hopefully you guys enjoy it. Bye. Here you can see what it looks like up close. Okay, so it's clear like this. So it will sit up under the screen like that, and you can see how it has this rubber. Oh, this one needs to get pushed back in. There's these little rubber tabs that kind of go into these holes here. There we go. Pull that through. So that's how they hold the rubber mat in. It just pulls into place with these. And there you go. Alright, it's pretty simple. Let me go ahead and get in the truck, and then we'll see if it fits with the swivel mount. Alright, so because of the design, you see how it has these clips that hook on there. With the swivel mount hinge, you can see it's a lot smaller back there. So when we go to put this on, it doesn't work.